everyone, Alex here, back with another video. Today we are reviewing the Armour Detail Supply Easy Beads. Now, depending on when and where you get the bottle, the label might be a little bit different, but either which way the product is the same. So this is a touchless sealant. What does that mean? I have no idea. Now, what it means is you spray it on the panel that's already wet. I've just washed the car. Once it's actually washed and wet, give it a few sprays, let it sit for a second or two, rinse it off, and you're gonna have protection. So there's a lot of spray on rinse off products out there, but if you're familiar with the ADS lineup whatsoever, you know this is gonna be an absolute amazing product. Now, I will have to say, in the interest of full disclosure, big thanks to my friends over at Touchless Supplies for sending this product over, and we're gonna give this a shot. So I'm gonna apply it on the black glass. The glass itself is already repelling a bit of water as it is, but that being said, I'm excited to see the difference. So obviously on a flat panel, you're gonna see it a lot more, but we're gonna see results either way. So again, adjust the sprayer a little bit, prime that sucker. So we're just gonna go all the way down. It's gonna do the whole hatch. I'm gonna give that a quick sec, and then I'm gonna turn the pressure washer on. We're gonna rinse it off, see how it looks. All right, so it's been sitting about 15 seconds or so. We're gonna go ahead and blast her off. Okay, that's pretty darn good for being how quick it is. Gonna bring you in on the sides and have a closer look at the repelling. Okay, sorry, I had to shut off the pressure washer. Now, again, the repellency is quite good now. Again, that was just a few sprays real quick. We're gonna go ahead and look at the side as well and apply it there and spray it off and give you a closer look as well. All right, so it may be a little bit tricky to see here on the white, but when you spray it down, there's not a ton of beading going on. So again, and they do recommend that you spray from the bottom up when you actually rinse it off. So again, a couple sprays. All right, so that's been sitting for about 10 seconds or so. We're gonna blast it off. Now, another really good place to do this is actually the lowers on the door. Now I'm gonna show you on a bit of the plastic trim and the painted surfaces. So as you can see there, that is flat as can be. Now we're gonna apply it to the whole surface and hit the plastic as well. Give that a few seconds, and you can already see it starting to start beading here, which is super cool. So that's the active ingredients getting activated there. So we're gonna go ahead and start at the bottom and move our way up. So as you can see, there's a lot more active sheeting going on. And kind of the more that you let it sit, you know, it's still getting the paintwork nice and dry. So definitely a lot better than it was. Yeah, not too bad. All right, so there we have it, a real quick demo on the Armour Detail Supply Easy Beads or Beads, whatever iteration you're gonna be getting. So again, you saw it, we applied it on a few different panels. Rinse it off. Now again, these were very contaminated panels. No prep was done whatsoever. It wasn't polished, nothing. And it did a pretty good job. Again, a bit more of a combination beater and sheeter versus just beading. So, I mean, there are other products out there that do very similar things, but the Armour Detail Supply is a very affordable price and the performance is quite good. It's amazing on glass. Off camera, I had some stuff on the windshield and it was wicked. So I mean, if the paint itself is pretty darn clean, then it's not so bad. This could definitely use a decon for sure. But overall, it's a great product. So TOC Supplies, Carzilla.ca also have this product, and Armour Detail Supply. You can use Bucky BW all three and save you some money on that. So drop a like, subscribe if that's what you're into, and take care for the next video.